Grabe, guys, umiikot na yung bahay namin, umiikot. Grabe, grabe guys, nakakahilo. Grabe guys. Yung background guys, umiikot na, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari guys. Pero ito na guys, umiikot ng umiikot. Pero yung tao guys, hindi umiikot. Ayun. Sa totoo na nakakahilo pala. Sana kahit mahilo kayo kakatingin sa akin, please stay to my YouTube channels. Kasi guys, hindi pa ako namudmod ng ng pera. Ang gustong magpakamatay dyan dahil sa pera, gawin nyo na, shoot your head. Yeah. Yun, hindi ko pa na guys. Kaya please, stay to my YouTube channels, okay? Kasi may kinakabahan na sa pag-angat ng ko sa YouTube. At nakikita nyo ba to? Ito. Oh, ito. Oh. Oh, di ba? Ano pa lang yan, guys? Fake pa lang yan. Kasi guys, kailangan ko pa ng new votes. Please vote me as a president in Philippines. I will do so many things. I raise flag to Philippine Sea kapag nanalo ang Pilipinas sa LITES. LITES, two countries need LITES. Who is the owner of Philippine Sea? Yeah, Philippines or China Sea na sinasabi nilang Harbor Rock. Yeah, Harbor Rock. Akala ko kasi Harbor Rock na buk. Yung alam mo kapag nalulunod ka, 'di ba ganun ang itsura mo na para kang isda na lobo-lobo yung yung bunga buk ganun. This is for fun only. Pero kung siseryosohin nyo na na magpalitis, it's a good idea instead of fighting about that islands. Yes, I want that they can use LITES. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Use LITES. Who is the owner of that? Where that islands belong? In Philippines or China? That's the most interesting moment in life. LITES, guys. Ipalitis nyo kaya yung mga old peoples. Yeah, they can answer who is the owner. And you know what, for sure you have a map, right? Old map. Where its country belong, that China or Philippine Sea. Because kami, ang alam ko ay yan, Philippine Sea. At hindi mo naman siguro makikita ang mga Pilipino na pumunta dyan para mangisda. Kung ang may-ari niyan ay Philippine Sea, please be nice to Filipino. Yeah. You don't need to force them move away to that sea, because if you allowed to get a fish there, for sure Filipino allowed to get fish too. Hindi sila mga animals na pwede nyong taboy-taboyin, gaganon tuhin. Yeah. Hindi sila animals, kaya treat them as a real good Filipino. Kasi yung mga taong yan ay dyan nakasalalay ang kanilang pinangkakabuhayan. Yung alam mo yun, if they earn money, they have food. Yeah. At hindi ka naman siguro makakakain ng puro isda na lang araw-araw, di ba? Para sa akin lang ay hanggat hindi nyo pa mapatunayan kung sino ang may-ari ng Philippine Sea, don't force them to move away. Kasi yung pang-aharas nyo sa mga Pilipinong nangingisda ay hindi na nakakatuwa. Hinaharas nyo sila. Yeah. Harassment is not allowed which country you are. Ayaw din naming turuan ng mga Pilipino na iharas kayo. Honestly, is you are powerful. But I want the reality. Yeah. Real, who is the owner of that island? Philippines, maybe it's belong to China or maybe it's belong to Philippines. I think like this is the best solution to solve that problems. Kaysa magsabuyan kayo ng tubig, atakihin yung ganito kasi malakas kayo, that's not a good idea. It's not about how strong you are. It's about the reality, who is the owner of Philippine Sea. Yun lang guys. Hindi ako nakikipag-away, pero I want the reality, yeah, the truth, yeah. Gusto kong ipakita nyo sa buong mundo na kung sino ang may-ari ng island na pinag-aagawan between Philippines and China, yeah. Ayun lang guys, that's it. Bye. God bless you all. Bye-bye.